The Huawei Nova 9 is designed to inspire. It packs an arsenal of powerful and exciting content creation features that unlocks your creativity in new and exciting ways. Incorporating attention-grabbing colors and design elements alongside a vibrant curved display, smart camera features, and powerful performance, the Huawei Nova 9 is a smartphone that pushes the limits of what a smartphone can truly be. The Huawei Nova 9 debuts with a brand new colorway, color number 9. The low saturation bluish purple finish is created with a new Starry Flash AG glass manufacturing process to produce an out-of-this-world effect. The most sophisticated part of this technique is that it makes the color of the material change under different lighting. In normal lighting, the color number 9 reflects understated colors for an elegant and delicate look. While under a spotlight or other similar lighting, you'll be surprised at the way the color finish changes and grabs your attention. Meanwhile, it's anti-slip, anti-fingerprint, and feels premium in your hands. Designed with younger users in mind, the Huawei Nova 9 fits seamlessly into modern life. It's equipped with a 6.57-inch 120Hz original color curve display and packs a 4300 mAh battery, while measuring only 7.77mm thick and a weight of 175 grams. It's easy to slip into your bag or pocket, ready to go whenever you are. Whether you're shooting night photos, panoramas, portraits, or close-ups, the Huawei Nova 9 lets you capture high-quality images that are comparable to those taken on pro-grade cameras. The rear camera system includes a 50-megapixel ultra-vision camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel depth camera, and a macro camera that lets you capture objects as close as 4 centimeters. Both the front and rear cameras support 4K shooting at 30 FPS, allowing you to express yourself through quick videos and vlogs for social media. The main camera has a large 1x1.56-inch sensor and a RYYB color filter array with high light sensitivity. This collects 40% more light compared to a standard RGB sensor, ensuring the utmost clarity on all images while enabling outstanding low light performance. The Huawei Nova 9 also features the XD Fusion engine, which uses sophisticated computational photography techniques to greatly enhance image details and quality. With the Nova 9's 32-megapixel front camera, you can capture high-resolution selfies anytime, no matter what time of day it is. Even at night, it identifies faces and applies facial enhancement for selfies that are natural and rich in detail. In vlog mode, you can now seamlessly swap between the front and rear cameras without having to stop recording, as well as use dual view video to show both rear and front perspectives simultaneously in the same video. Once you've finished filming, you can use the Nova 9's video search and one-click video creation features to effortlessly create superb videos with ease. All you need to do is search for the videos or photos you need using some keywords, and all the rated content will show up. Once your clips are selected, you can simply choose any filters, background music, and other elements to insert into your videos, all without any knowledge of complex editing. When your phone is paired with the Huawei Watch 3, you can use the watch as a remote shutter. Just set up your Huawei Nova 9 on a tripod and use your Watch 3 to take a photo or a 30-second video. You can also use the crown to zoom in and out to help you capture the right shot every time. Battery life is perhaps one of the most important concerns that smartphone users have, if not the most. Thankfully, the Huawei Nova 9 packs a proprietary 4300 mAh battery to provide all-day battery life. Furthermore, Huawei Nova 9 supports 66-watt Huawei Supercharge, enabling it to charge much faster than other smartphones. It takes only 15 minutes to charge to 53% and 38 minutes to charge 100%. The Huawei Nova 9 runs on EMUI 12, which offers a straightforward, smooth, and reliable user experience. Whether connecting to your Huawei wireless headphones, smart TV, PC, or tablet, you can control everything from one singular interface. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Panel and connect your smartphone to a device of choice. The trusted, innovative, and secure app gallery is also available on the Huawei Nova 9, where users can download a wide range of popular and high-quality apps. When the Huawei Nova 9 is connected to a Huawei MateBook, it turns into a wireless USB drive that can be accessed directly on your computer. You can directly drag and drop any videos or pictures from your phone's gallery onto your computer for post-editing. When you're done, you can right-click on them to save them to your phone. The Huawei Nova 9 will be available for pre-order from November 4th, with an official release on November 11th at Huawei stores and leading retailers. It's priced at 1,799 dirhams with free gifts worth 980 dirhams, including FreeBuds 3, Petal One, Huawei Music, Huawei Video, and 1-year subscription to Starzplay.